Show you how to quickly replace that blade, all right? So step one, flip it around to this side, okay? And this pin here, we're gonna need to pull off. So don't lose this, okay? Here's your pin. We're gonna pull this pin out. Right. Blades out. Here's your replacement pack right here. 48224256. Pop it back in. Get it aligned. Now we're pushed through. Might be helpful to turn it upside down to have the weight on there. There you go. It helps to push on this side as you're pushing down on here.